Hello everybody, this is your backend buddy Pratik. So today we will learn how we can convert integer to string and string to integer value in the Go programming language. So first, for checking the data type, reflect package is used. So if you want to check any variables data type, so let's say here num1 is there, which is integer data type. So if you want to check it is which data type, then you have to use reflect dot type of and then variable name. So for that reflect package we have to include here. So it will print here 10, so which is value of integer, and this int, so that is data type of this variable. Now let's say we want to convert this 10 integer value into the string value. Then there is a different strconv package is used. So string converter package. So we are using string converter, okay, and it has a function like I to a to I. So for integer to string, I to a function is used, and then you have to give your integer value here and it will return as a string. Okay, so we are giving here num1, which is integer value, and it will return us the string value. Then using the fmt-println, we are just printing that value, and reflect.type of will print its data type. So 10 and string, because data type is string, so we can get idea like previously it was integer, now it converted to string value. Now again, let's say we have to convert back from string to integer, then string conversion or package use a to I function. So here we have to pass our string value and it will give us return value as an integer, and if any error then it will return us. So here value it will return and the error. If error is not nil, then we can return here if any error is there. So after this conversion we are printing its value and its data type. So if you see here, it will print again the integer. So previously it was a string and then we converted back to integer. So let's debug this program, so we'll get to know by real time. So if you see in the debugging, it came here as so num10 is there, okay, and this will be next. If I will go here, so here 10 value we are passing here, okay. So now this is string right now, it is empty. If I will go next, then if you will see, so if you see this 10 is string, so now it is converted. So I to a function converted 10 integer to 10 string, okay. Now if we go next, then our a to I function is there, so we want to convert back this string value into the int. So strconv, which is string conversion dot a to I, and then string value I'm passing 10, and which will convert here int. So if you see 10 integer value is converted and error is nil, so there is no error, and so that's it. So these are the two functions in the string conversion for I to a and a to I. So normally in the programming language many times we use this for converting integer to string and the string to integer. And in case any places you want to print in the log like or data type of a particular variable you don't know, then you can use this reflect dot type of and the variable name you enter. So it will give us the data type of particular variable. So if you like my video, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for learning more about Go programming language and the backend programming. And don't forget to press on the bell icon so you will get all the notification for the future updates of the Go programming and the backend programming. So see you in the next lecture. Thank you.